Hello, and welcome to another weekly analysis of the crypto market by me, Malachi Kelly, professional trader now for over 10 years. As you can see, it's been an amazing week in the crypto world. Bitcoin up 17%, Ethereum up 30%, Ripple up 34%, Bitcoin Cash up 17%, Litecoin up 10%. Now this is just in a 7-day period. EOS up 38%. It's been an amazing week, right? So let's now just jump in and have a look at the Bitcoin chart. In my last video, we were seeing price below the 50-day EMA. However, price wasn't able to make a new low. I anticipated last week that we should see a healthy green candle the following week. The market gods have been kind and have responded with price action that we needed to signal the end of the correction. Well, let's not be too hasty though, as to really confirm that we are now going up, and this is not just a correction before returning back to the downtrend. We need to see price break 12,500 up here and make a new high. With that said, the MACD indicator is signaling a reversal in the trend. Now, as we're looking at a weekly chart, this will happen over the next 2 weeks. So you've got plenty of time to get in. However, the ones who take action today will get a better price than the folks who wait for that further confirmation of breaking price at 12,500. Click the link in the description and secure your first position today ahead of the bull run of 2018. Now, why is the market so bullish all of a sudden, I hear you ask? One of the reasons is Soros' fund management plans to launch cryptocurrency trading. Now, this is a turnaround for Soros because back in January, he was saying that cryptocurrency was too volatile and there would be no way that I would be investing in cryptocurrency. Only 3 months later, and he's turned full roundabout, and it's a US investment fund, Soros' fund management, which currently operates around 26 billion in assets, will reportedly be investing in cryptocurrencies. Despite the fact that the head of the fund, George Soros, earlier claimed that crypto is a bubble, he's now going to put some of that 26 billion into crypto, which is super news. Not only is Soros investing in cryptocurrency, the Rockefellers also go long on cryptocurrencies, and they're going to start investing in blockchain startups. So the Rockefeller family have a hedge fund called Venrock, and they're partnering with Coin Fund to invest in blockchain technologies. Now, Venrock has a reported 2.6 billion in assets under management. So that's 2.6 billion potential, but they do have, Rockefellers do have a net worth of 1 trillion. Now, I'm not saying that they're going to invest all of their 1 trillion into crypto, but they're definitely going to invest a decent amount. So now you've heard about Soros, you've heard about Rockefeller, now the Rothschilds. Now, you know that the Rothschilds own the world banks. And if they're deciding to invest in cryptocurrency, it's a game changer. They already started to buy Bitcoin via the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust back in December. Obviously, price continued to go down. Now they're going to buy just to average their price down at this point. But it's going to be a big investment. So we've got the Rothschilds, the Rockefellers, and Soros all investing in crypto, plus the Consensus Conference starting on May 14th, where all of the big heads are going to meet and talk about the future of cryptocurrency. Everybody is getting in now so they can reap the gains come the conference. Although we have seen all cryptocurrencies drop in value over the last 3 months, we have to keep things in perspective. The price of Bitcoin is still 400 times, that's 400 times more than it was at this time last year. In anyone's eyes, that's amazing growth. My portfolio also looks promising, going from minus 800 to over 9% profit and still climbing. If you're still watching this video, then I'm not sure what else I can say that will make you take the first step to a huge fortune. As the old saying goes, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Get in today by clicking the link in the description, and you can open your account for just $200, with at least a 300% price increase in the next 6 months. But I have a sneaky feeling that 2018 is going to be a very good year for crypto. Now that we've looked at the long-term trend of the market, let's look into the shorter-term trend of Ripple. So let me get the chart back to where it was in my last video, so we can see where price has gone and how far it has gone. Okay, so in my last video, this is where price was. We were hovering around this area, and my analysis was that we needed to go and break these the daily pivot line, and potentially this daily pivot line would then act as support, and we'll see price move upwards. However, price broke down through the daily pivot, and daily pivot acted as resistance, and we saw price subsequently go lower, but it wasn't able to make a new low. Price only got down to 46 cents a coin before moving back up to previous support and move around in a range for a couple of days before breaking that level and moving higher through 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance levels before that resistance level acting as support, and we're seeing price move even further. Subscribe to my channel to get up-to-date analysis and crypto news that will drive the market. Please leave a comment below, as I always love getting your feedback and answering your questions. Click the link in the description and start profiting from crypto today. Bye for now and happy trading.